जो चलने लगे हैं ये रास्ते, आहा, मंजिल से बेहतर लगने लगे हैं ये रास्ते। आओ खो जाए हम यूं लापता, आओ मीलों चले जाना कहाँ ना हो पता, हम जो चलने लगे हैं ये रास्ते। ला 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 ला।
I'm in Kotiago Wildlife Sanctuary in South Goa, and I parked the car at the back, and now I'm going to the treetop where you can climb up the tree, and there's like a machan where you can go there, and there is a water hole down, and you can see the animals if they come to drink water. It's so quiet and nice. Love to come to jungles. So now I'm walking towards the treetop, which is a 700 meters walk. Over here, one can spot flying squirrel, slender loris, Indian pangolin, mouse deer, fourth-horned antelope, monkeys. Even the shyest animals like gazelles, sloth bears, porcupines are there. And if I'm lucky, I may even spot a panther today. Let's see if today is my lucky day. This jungle is also an home to some of the very ancient tribes, the Velip and the Kunbil community, and you can always interact with them and learn about their cultures and their way of life. Look at the greenery around. It's such a dense forest, also called as multi-storied forest with tall trees. There are deciduous, evergreen and semi-green trees. You can hear some birds. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. But the weather is a little bit hot and humid, so I'm sweating a little bit. But I think I'm almost there. I'm enjoying the walk. I saw some beautiful mushrooms on the way, and they were like the lighted diyas of Diwali. I think there is a stream flowing nearby. I just love the sound of water. The gushing sound of water reminds me of life. It's like a flowing river where a lot of adventures and lot of different new discoveries awaits you on the journey. Wow, look at the water, so clear. Okay, let's go to the treetop. There's some small fishes too. This is heaven. So serene, so blissful. Oh, I still have pani, 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 pani. Aur jinti sani, 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 sani. Ajao on the treetop. Let's go. I'm so exhausted, but I think I finally reached that treetop. So now I have to climb few more steps, and let's see. It looks very interesting to be on the top of the tree. Those steps were so steep. Oh my god, it was scary. It's going to be more scary climbing down. And I think I'm halfway there. There are some more steps to go up, and you can see the water body there. I'm at the top of the tree house. Wow, it feels so nice. You can see. I wish I could stay here. The view from here is very nice. That was the path I came by. I could spot a flying squirrel, a big one, which was like a brown and white, and it was very pretty. And then some monkeys. Oh, still waiting to see some more animals, but I guess it's afternoon time, around 4 o'clock, so I have to come sometime in the morning to spot them, come for drinking the water in the water hole. But the tree house is so beautiful and it feels like a fairy tale. So, wow, what an experience. Amazing. हम तुम ना हम तुम रहे अब, कुछ और ही हो गए अब, सपनों के झिलमिल नगर में जाने कहाँ खो गए अब। दोस्तों, चले इस घने जंगलों की सुंदरता में हम और तुम कहीं खो जाते हैं।